Hello, let me show you how to create this drop shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new file, write your first letter. This is the font that I'm using. Hold Alt or Option key and drag to make a copy. Use the type tool and change the text. Here's another way to duplicate a layer. Adjust the position for them to overlap like this. Do the same for the last letter. Use the type tool and change the letter once again. Now hold Shift and select all these layers. Group them. Select one layer. Go to the layer style and choose drop shadow. Choose shadow color. I'll go for this. Follow the settings. This is the shadow you're working on right now. If you have any questions, write them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. We've created this shadow. Now, right click and choose copy layer style and paste it to the other layers. That's it. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.